What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, covering some more Q&A that came in, which was, will carpet guys move furniture? The short answer is yes, carpet guys move furniture. So let's cover how much it's going to cost you, what furniture will carpet guys actually move, and what you should be moving to prevent any drama in the future. So first things first. We covered carpet guys do move furniture. What can you expect to pay for that? So you're going to pay anywhere from $2 to $3 per square yard to have carpet guys move your furniture. So if every bedroom is roughly 20 yards on average, figure you're going to pay anywhere from $40 to $60 per bedroom sized room to have a carpet guy move your furniture around. Now, living room, figure roughly double that. It could be anywhere from 80 to 20 depending upon the size of your house and the square footage. So what is actual furniture that carpet guys move? So beds, dressers, nightstands, lamps, TVs, TV stands, things like that. These are items you can expect your carpet guy to move. What do carpet guys hate moving? Dirty laundry. Clean up your house, man. Shouldn't have your carpet guy moving your dirty socks from room to room. Not necessary. Valuables. You want to put these away. Do you really want some cracked out carpet guy moving your diamond rings from room to room? That's a horrible idea. It's going to turn up missing and someone's going to get the blame. And even if the carpet guy's an ethical guy, you're going to blame him or her anyway. So put away all your valuables. Put away your dirty laundry. Carpet guys are typically not moving those. Computers. Always move those. Carpet guys do not understand technology whatsoever. And if they bump something, they don't know if they're shutting it off, pulling wires. Did you just type up a big WordPress blog there? Forget to hit publish, it didn't save, and then they unplugged you and you have 3,000 words gone? These things can happen. So have all your computers unhooked and moved so your contractor doesn't have to deal with that. So these are a few of the things that you want to handle, and then the balance is what the carpet guy is going to handle. So also any breakables, even if it doesn't have an actual sticker to it, if great grandma gave it to you and it's handed down in the family, it's just a little glass vase, you should put that away as well, because if it tips over and breaks, who's to blame and how do you replace that? So valuables, dirty laundry, knickknacks, things like that, that's on you. You should move that. Everything else, your carpet guy can move for you, and that consists of couches, TVs, TV stands, beds, dressers, and nightstands, lamps even. Couple other things. If you have pianos, pool tables, really scary big items, figure $100 to $200 per item to have that moved. So on top of the yardage there, which we just discussed, bedrooms anywhere from 40 to 60 a room, living rooms 80 to 120. If there's a pool table in there, go ahead and tack another $100 to $200 on top of that, depending upon where you're based at. So, higher end areas, bigger city, Chicago, let's say, for instance, you're probably going to get hit with the bigger sticker just because of the cost of living over there. In areas like Cleveland, where we're based, it might only be $100. Cost of living is a little bit lower, so you could justify what they're getting paid for their time and their labor on that. So, for more tips and tricks on the flooring industry, be sure to tap the subscribe button. If you have questions, comment below. I'll create a video just for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.